Okay guys, we're back. So, mag-rate kami ng another desserts from the buffet. So, first, let's taste natin. Cheesecake. It's raspberry cheesecake.
It's giving Valentine's Day.
Giving Valentine's Day. Pero parang isang bite lang siya eh. Parang panghigaan lang talaga siya. And the presentation is given 10 out of 10. Let's taste.
Alam mo, ang bag ko dito, tawa lang.
Oo, tawa lang. Cheers. Raspberry nga eh.
Hindi, gusto ko.
Hindi sobrang asim. Tama lang yung asim niya.
Pero gusto ko itong blueberry.
Guys, you want to try? Guys.
Okay,
Next. Hindi ko alam kung ano to.
Nakuha lang namin.
Basta kinuha lang namin. Pero yung ano niya, yeah. It's like, this one is
Caviar.
Caviar. It looks like caviar. Yellow caviar. And this one look like, yung wasabi. So we call this like dessert sushi. Sushi dessert. Okay. Let's try. Asim. It's lemon. Lemon. 6 out of 10. And by the way, this is 10 out of 10 because it's not that much sweet. This one, 6 out of 10 for me.
Negative 1 for me.
Sobrang baba naman, girl. Gabi ko naman. Okay, next. It's called rice something. It's rice. Yeah.
Sika mango rice?
Sika mango rice. Yeah. And looks good. Let's see if tastes good as well. Taste test! Ikaw, puro tao ka ng tao eh. Taste test.
Sticky mango?
Is it? It's good.
Yeah, it's a sticky mango rice.
Not that much
But
sweet.
the Thailand one version is the better one.
It's good.
Yeah, I tried to Thailand.
It's good. It's good. This is good.
Not the typical na ano. Whereas yung ano niya, mango niya matigas eh.
You bought from the same
10 out of 10.
you bought from the same place in Philippines?
No, but we are both Tagalog, so we can.
Yeah, of course you are.
She's from Manila and I'm from Quezon Province. It's also Tagalog, yeah. It's quite far from
So you
Manila.
became friends here.
Yeah, on here.
Only the company.
Next, this is chocolate something, and the presentation is good. Taste test. Walang susuko. Tapunin natin to. Ginusto mo to. Ginusto mo to.
No.
Marvi is not a TikToker like that.
Maganda yung presentation nila, so. Mukha
Kami.
I'm not fan of too much sweets.
No.
No. 8 out of 10.
7 out of 10. So sweet.
Okay.
I like
Next.
this one. Ano?
This is something from Turkish dessert. I don't know what it tastes like.
A Turkish guy?
Turkish. It's like it seems like it looks like mochi like that.
Glutinous rice.
Wow, I love mochi.
Oh, it's good with coconut.
It's pandan flavor.
It's good.
They are like food bloggers.
It's good. It's good. For me, it's good. I like coconut, so I appreciate this.
I don't like it.
It's good. So, ano ang gagawin natin sa mga ito?
Pamigay mo.
Ang taste test lang talaga kami. Sorry na. Pero ubusin namin to. Hindi kami nagsasayo ng pagkain.
Hindi masarap. Ano ba siya? Hindi ko siya gusto. Sorry.
Masarap siya kasi ano, may nyog. For me, masarap.
Tingin na ng tinidor mo, be?
Ha? Tinidor?
Hindi ko siya gustuhan, be.
Ito masarap to.
Nakanin cheesecake.
Ano ito?